So the McDonald's down the road stopped serving breakfast at 10 a.m. Can you believe it, guys? At 10 a.m. I find that just a little bit weird. That's why I was like, forget about them. I'm gonna create my recipe, beef, bacon, egg, McMuffin. It's the best McMuffin sandwich that I've ever had. Quite frankly, even better than McDonald's. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mac and this is Mac Loves Cooking. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you at home to recreate your very own beef, bacon and egg McMuffin. For this recipe, we need English muffins. For the best homemade English muffins, link is in the description below. Use a fork to split the muffins to make those nooks and crannies. Add a little bit of oil into a hot cast iron skillet and lightly toast your English muffins. Once your English muffins are done, immediately line them up with cheddar cheese, or you can use processed cheese, whichever one you prefer is good enough. In a bowl, add in 300 grams of ground beef and then half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of oregano, and lastly, my favorite guys, quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Make sure that all the spices and meat combine evenly. Add in a teaspoon of oil to your pan, and once the oil is hot enough, using burger rings, add in your meat and press down to get the perfect shape for your egg McMuffins. Well, that didn't work out as planned, but fry for about 2 minutes per side. Once cooked, place your beef patty on your egg McMuffin sandwich. In a hot pan, add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, place your burger ring and crack 1 whole egg in it and let it fry for a few seconds, and pour in about 15 milliliters of water by the side, cover with the lid and let that steam cook the top of the egg to your liking. The egg has reached your level of doneness, place them on top of your beef patty. And the last thing we're going to fry is our bacon. Fry it to your level of liking. Place it on top of the eggs, cover, and then there you have it, folks. The best ever beef, bacon and egg McMuffin, done within 15 minutes. I present to you today Mac's English Egg McMuffin. Check this out, y'all. You can have breakfast at any time, guys. Breakfast at any time. So I've been craving these for a long time, but I could never find them anywhere, guys. That beef patty, guys. Who needs McDonald's? Don't be tempted to put any salt when you make your eggs, guys. Because the beef patty and the smoked bacon over there enough salt for this sandwich. Hands down, I must say, guys, this is the best English egg McMuffin that I've ever had. Better than McDonald's, I guarantee you that. This is the McMuffin, not the McMuffin, the McMuffin. Yep. Bacon, beef, bacon, and egg McMuffin. Look at how thick that patty is, guys. You only get a thin slice of beef. Not at Mac's place. Because I think we got a new player in town. I think we got a new replacement. Introducing to you Mac's Muffin. I think McDonald's has just lost another customer in me. And I hope you try it out. And if you do, they've lost another customer in you, guys. Share this video until a McDonald's employee finds this. And next thing you know, you'll be having Mac's Muffin instead of McMuffins. If you like this content and if you're new to this channel, why don't you hit the like and the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see next, drop them down in the comments below. It's been cool hanging out with you. I'm Mac from Mac Loves Cooking, signing out. Peace! And don't forget to share this, guys. Please don't forget to share this.